We are going to talk about the Indian market. The market is going to be very down, as United States are planning to increase the interest rate by 75 basis point. Second thing, that the employment data is going to come in, and employment data is not showing a very good sign. They expect an employment of about 2,70,000, but it will be way below that. Other things are there. The prices of goods are increasing faster, and the prices or inputs are also increasing. The wages are getting higher, as the technical labors are difficult to get. So kindly don't buy any stocks in the or shares in the Indian market. What you can do is that when the market is slightly up, you can sell it, and you will be getting a very good return for today. If you are an investor, don't worry. If you are looking for a long term, like 10 years, 15 years, you keep on investing. Don't worry about, don't look at the market, and you will be gaining a lot in the future. Thanks a lot. This is Professor Subin signing off. Bye.